Guys, we are here today to do a review on a motorhome, and I always wanted to do a review on a motorhome, but today I'm not just looking at one but a whole warehouse of motorhomes. There's at least like 70-80 motorhomes in this particular space, and the one I'm looking at is a Berkshire XLT. The coach is built by Forest River. There's not enough lighting, sorry about that. And the powertrain, engine and transmission is Freightliner. The sticker price is about $700,000, and the reason it's so costly, you'll just see in a minute. Let me turn on the lights. Is because we're looking at a $700,000 motorhome. Now everything here is either leather or wood trim. There's no cheap plastic anywhere in this motorhome. As you can see, because this is a Freightliner chassis, it has full gauge cluster, parking brake, air parking brake. So that means to drive this thing in Ontario, you need a special air endorsement on your license. Your gear selection. It's very spacious, and the seats are very soft. It's all soft leather. Now when we come to the inside of the motorhome, everything is, as I said, finished in either wood trim or nice leather. The countertops are all granite, and especially like these pop-up power adapters and power outlets. The sink, it's covered so that when you're driving, the utensil inside doesn't move and fall off from the shelf. So we get full microwave, oven, two surfaces for the cooking plate, recliner. So in this particular case, the table goes down and the sofas recline in to make a bed here. These fold out, so they come towards out so that it can become a bed. There's a LED screen right above the driver's seat. There's one here with a sound bar. All the HDMI connections and everything are here. And there's actually two more TVs here. There's one in the master bedroom, and then there's one outside, which is in a panel, which when you open up, and you can do a barbecue outside and enjoy the TV. The master control for all the lighting. And not just lighting, it's all the controls, fuel, water level, water pumps and everything. There's power outlets for laptops, charging your phones, electronic devices, whatever need be. The ceiling's all Alcantara leather. And the floor is, the first thing when I entered, that was the thing I noticed. The floor is shiny tile. It's all Proclaim tile. So they haven't used anything cheap to save the weight or cost on this particular motorhome. So does the fridge. The fridge is a 2-door fridge, full size, obviously brand new. And the doors, all the doors here are again wood trim finished with the lacquer polish. And man, oh man, so this is one of the two washrooms. This is the powder room with the window. Obviously you don't want anybody to see when you're in the loo. So the same Proclaim tiling floor continues. This is the queen bed. This is the main master bed, and two windows on the side, lights on top, reading lights, full size fan, believe it or not, just to look at this fan. And you know, there's switches right here, all the lighting. So that when you're lying down you can turn on and off the lights as you desire. And this fan actually makes me feel I'm not inside a motorhome. Actually, I'm inside a nice luxury condo, probably in a New York City, because it's pretty small. Full size washroom, lots of storage space, shower, and believe it or not, there's laundry, full size laundry as well. The generator just kicked in, that's the noise you're getting in the background. And there's, again, wood finished with polished doors. All in all, it's $700,000 sticker price, but it's worth every penny. When you're traveling in style. There's no compromise in luxury and comfort in this particular motorhome. Hope you liked it. Please share, like, and comment on the video. Thanks.